Hello guys, today I want to teach you how you can change your image to black and white. That is, we call it grayscale. And then let's simply separate our screen. Let's click on Windows here, come to arrange, and then let's split it horizontal into two. And then let's make it vertical. Vertical it will be better. Let's scale it up a bit, and then so we want to make this image black and white. So this particular image here, first of all, come to your image here, then come to mode, then click on grayscale. Click on, you discard whatever is there. So now you have to change it. You see how it's this option is here, changing it to grayscale. The same thing for this image you can do here. Cancel. The same thing for this image, you go click mode and then click on grayscale. Click enter. It will automatically change to grayscale like that. So thank you, and then subscribe for more tips.